Good morning, students. Today we are on hydraulic turbine part. Here is the introduction of draft tube. A draft tube. The draft tube is a pipe of gradually increasing area which connects the outlet of the runner to the tail race. It is used for discharging water from the exit of the turbine to the tail race. This pipe of gradually increasing area is called a draft tube. One end of the draft tube is connected to the outlet of the runner, while the other end is submerged below the level of the water in the tail race. The draft tube, in addition to serve a passage for water discharge, has the following two purposes also. First, it permits the negative head to be established at the outlet of the runner and thereby increase the net head on the turbine. The turbine may be placed above the tail race without any loss of net head and hence turbine may be inspected properly. Second is the it converts a large proportion of kinetic energy rejected at the outlet of the turbine into useful pressure energy. Without the draft tube, the kinetic energy rejected at the outlet of the turbine will go waste to the tail race. Hence, by using draft tube, the net head on the turbine increases, the turbine develops more power and also the efficiency of the turbine increases. There are four types of draft tube. Conical draft tube. So you can say the conical draft tube here. Simple elbow tubes. This is the simple elbow tube. Moody's spreading tubes. This is the Moody's spreading tube. Elbow draft tube with a circular inlet and rectangular outlet. This is the elbow draft tube with circular inlet and rectangular outlet. Draft tube theory. So you can see the draft tube. This is the base where turbine is placed. This is the inlet of the draft tube. This is the outlet of the draft tube. This is tail race. Consider a capital draft tube as shown the figure, where HS is the vertical height of draft tube above the tail race. This is the HS. Y is the distance of bottom of draft tube from tail race. This is the Y is the distance from the bottom of the draft tube and tail race. So applying Bernoulli's equation at section 1-1 and at section 2T of the draft tube and taking section 2-2 as the datum line. So P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus HS plus Y equals to P2 upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus 0 plus HF. This is the head loss. HF is the loss of energy between section 1-1 and 2-2. So P2 upon rho g is equals to atmospheric pressure head plus Y. So what pressure will act at here this section? That is atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to this head Y. So we can replace this PA upon rho g plus Y. Putting the value of P2 upon rho g in equation, we get P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus HS plus Y equals to PA upon rho g plus Y plus V2 square upon 2g plus HF. Or upon simplification, Vn upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus HS equals to PA upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus HF. Y and Y cancel out. So P1 upon rho g equals to PA upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus HF minus V1 square upon 2g minus HS and equals to PA upon rho g minus HS minus bracket V1 square upon 2g minus V2 square upon 2g minus HF. In this equation, P1 upon rho g is less than the atmospheric pressure. So P1 upon rho g is the pressure at this section. This is less than the atmospheric pressure. So we require draft tube for exiting the water from the turbine. Efficiency of draft tube. The efficiency of draft tube is defined as the ratio of actual conversion of kinetic head into pressure head in the draft tube to the kinetic head at the inlet of the draft tube. Mathematically, it can be written as actual conversion of kinetic head into pressure head upon kinetic head at the inlet of the draft tube. Suppose V1 is the velocity of water at inlet of the draft tube, V2 is the velocity of water at outlet of the draft tube, and HF is the loss of head in the draft tube. So theoretical conversion of kinetic head into pressure head in the draft tube, that is V1 square upon 2g minus V2 upon square upon 2g. But actual conversion of kinetic head into pressure head, that is V1 square upon 2g minus V2 square upon 2g minus HF. So hydraulic efficiency of the draft tube is given by this relation.